Part 2 starts from here. Now the second question. A piece of ice is heated at constant rate. The variation in temperature with time of heating is shown in the graph below. This is the heating curve you can see where the temperature is taken on the y-axis and the time is taken on the x-axis. And this is the heating curve of ice. What is represented by AB? And what does CD represent? We need to figure it out. What does these phases represent? The first one, what is represented by AB? As this is the heating curve of ice, so here we'll be having solid, that means we'll be having ice. And as there is rise in temperature, so at this point there will be no change in state, and here also we'll be having solid, that will be having ice. And as this horizontal line represents there is no change in the temperature, so there is change in phase here. So at this point we'll be having liquid, that is water in this case, and the transition from the solid state to the liquid state on heating is known as melting. So what does this AB represent? The AB represents the process of melting. That means the process of changing of a solid into a liquid. In this case it will be ice is changing into water at 0 degrees Celsius. You can see here that this temperature is 0 degrees Celsius at which ice changes into water without any rise in temperature on heating. And the heat required to change the ice into water will be mL, where L is the latent heat of fusion. Now the next question, what does CD represent? We have completed the graph till here. Here it will be solid, that is ice. Here we'll be having ice. Here we'll be having liquid, which is water. As there is rise in temperature, so there will be no change in state. Here also we'll be having liquid, that means water. And you can see the horizontal line here which represent there is no change in the temperature. So this phase represents the changing of the liquid into the gaseous form. In this case it will be steam. And the process of conversion of liquid to gaseous phase on heating is known as boiling or vaporization. So the CD part represents the process of boiling, that means changing of liquid to a gaseous state. In this case, changing of the water into steam at 100 degrees Celsius. You can see here that at 100 degrees Celsius the water is getting converted into steam without any rise in temperature on heating. And the heat supplied will be given by M into L. Here L will be latent heat of vaporization. So that was all about the practice problem related to heating curve. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos you can visit our website transelearning.com. Have a great day.